Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing wireless chaos. Plug the phone or laptop into Ethernet if possible, or move to a dedicated 5 GHz Wi-Fi channel. Once done, kill background apps that use CPU, network, or microphone access. This frees resources and reduces jitter. Make sure to disable Bluetooth audio routing and unused VPNs that can add latency. You're initiating network determinism, low latency, and consistent bandwidth, which is the single practical foundation for markedly better call audio. Next, you optimize both network and endpoint. Configure your router's CoS to prioritize VoIP ports or the phone's device IP. This keeps packets flowing during congestion. On the device, enable echo cancellation and automatic gain control, but prefer wideband codecs only if bandwidth is stable. Once configured, reduce competing streams, pause backups and streaming on other devices, and restrict heavy downloads. These steps lower packet loss and jitter, so voice packets arrive in order and play cleanly for your listener. Finally, you verify and maintain the setup. Run a brief latency and jitter test before important calls and confirm packet loss stays near zero. Reboot your modem and router weekly, and apply firmware updates monthly to avoid regressions. If quality still drops, swap the Ethernet cable or test the call on a different network or device to isolate the fault. Intermittent issues usually point to hardware or ISP routing. Remember this: the single most effective approach is stable, prioritized connectivity. Everything else supports it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.